Uh, Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make veins. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and in all of my videos you will find some of the other information that are very useful to you, so don't forget to subscribe. And another thing, if you want to do online or offline Mehndi courses, please do ping me on my Instagram ID, and the link is in the description. Please check it out. Also, please follow me, and when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to press on the bell icon so that you will not miss out any of my videos. You will get notification immediately. So in this video, veins usually those leaves really need so much of pressure control in the Mehndi. But if you are new, if you are budding Mehndi artist, or you just want to do Mehndi for yourself and you really like to do the vein in your design, so what I would suggest, in my previous video I have told you how to do the dots, a proper dot. Okay, if you have not watched my previous video, please go ahead, the link is here. Please go ahead and watch the video so that you will have a clear idea about how to keep a dot, so that you can continue with this. That will help you to make the proper vein. So you have to keep a dot like this. Okay, let's do it again. Just a dot. Don't squeeze, no pressure, just do like this. Okay, let me do it here. Okay, here is a dot. It's just a dot like this, like this. Again a dot. That's all. It will look like a leaf. Okay, and then, so to do it in a vein, what we should do is, okay, keep a dot, a dot, okay. You can learn later how to do it with the pressure control. So this is a beginner friendly method. So you shouldn't damage the vein. Sorry. Okay, so what you should keep in mind here is, this line, you should make a proper line, and these dots all should be in the same size. Okay, so like this. So what if I continue here, what if I keep it like this, and okay, that will not be uniform in size. One small leaf, one big leaf, no, it won't look good. So you have to make sure that you are keeping dots of same size. Okay, and another thing is this distance. The distance should be almost the same. Okay, here I have done the leaf in the opposite direction. What some people might do is, just for an example, here. Okay, like this. Some might do in between of this here. on the other side of the vein, they will do in between like this. Okay, that's fine too, but you should continue the same pattern, the same fashion throughout the design. Okay, not like here you started in between and here again you're starting straight to straight. It won't look good. The size difference also won't look good. Okay, same size, same distance, same pattern. And one more thing, so I told you to keep a dot and do like this. Okay, what you can do is you can make a line, the stem of the leaf, and then this is also fine. Okay, so the stem that joins the nerve. Okay, here is the line, here you can make one small line. Actually, you don't have to squeeze for this long line, no pressure you need. See, if you do like this, something will be there in the tip of the cone. That itself is enough. Anyhow, if you are using a proper organic cone, by the way, if you don't know how to make a proper organic cone, you can tell me. I can take you to the, I can teach you for that also. If you are using a proper Mehndi cone like this, even without squeezing, because of some pressure, it will come out a little. That itself is enough. Okay, so next time when you are doing Mehndi design, when you are seeing somebody doing a proper vein, a proper leaf like this with pressure control, don't panic. You can also do it too. It just needs little trick, and this is the trick. So if you have found this video very useful, please don't forget to give comment and like your comment your thoughts and hit the like button. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.